everyone, in front of me is TCL 50 SE, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy. Now mark Device Unlock, and here click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password, whatever you prefer. Let me choose pattern. Click on Next, then re-enter it just to confirm, and now you can smoothly... Okay, so at first you need to manage notification content, and now you can add your fingerprint. So just mark Add Fingerprint. The sensor is located on your power button over here, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You can observe the progress on the screen. And then click on Done. So that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.